First, put the marble skirt up against the skirting board. Make sure that's measured to make sure it is central on the wall. Mark that out and then remove it away from the wall. You're then going to want to cut your skirting board. This is best to use a multi-tool. And then remove the skirting board so the bottom skirt can sit flush up against the wall. Once that's been pushed up, we want to spirit level on to make sure that is pretty straight. The main block goes on. Again, we want to measure each side to make sure that is even. Mark out the wall where the L brackets are. Take the main block off. Put our wall plugs in which are provided. Your electrics transformer can go at the side, which will be covered by the side panel. You will have an L bracket which will come with your remote. Screw that into the wall and onto the fire. Make sure the distance on each side is even from the wall to the back glass. You will be given wedges with the installation pack. Put them behind the fire to make sure that it's wedged up. Mark out on the wall where the brackets from your mantle go. Now we've also put a bit of cardboard just to make sure that's fully wedged away from the wall. And then you're going to need another set of hands to put the marble mantle onto the fireplace and then screw into the L bracket that is attached to the mantle. You will then slide in your side panels, again with the spirit level to make sure this is nice and even. You want to get the contents of the upgraded luxury logs if you've decided to go for that package, set them up, sit back and simply enjoy your new stunning Lazio suite.